3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's not on.
Okay, I'll do it. Okay. Okay. Don't press that button.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Don't press it.
You didn't arm the pad.
Don't press it.
Okay. All right, try that again.
Okay, here we go. Go again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's up there.
Oh.
That's about.
Oh, look at it, it's just cruising.
It
It's
That's about a 300.
So small.
Yeah, it's amazing.
You got a nice one. It's coming down nice, real nice.
No wind stuff.
Come on.
It'll slide off.
No, it's actually a little.
Oh, I don't know.
D.
Hey, is it on?
Yeah, I turned mine on, but I didn't do a. But
Oh, okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
oh, it's
Is that a helicopter? Whoa.
supposed to.
Pad D, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Apparently, you can check for continuity while it's off.
Yes, you can.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
There it goes.
Okay, I think you need
That
to
a
check your
Rubik's Cube?
aerodynamic stability there.
Is it?
Okay.
Is that a
Yeah, check your center of gravity on that.
Yeah, I think it was above your seat.
I think we have to do a string test on
Yeah, okay. All right, ready?
Yep.
Okay.
launching on pad D, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I lost his bottom.
Oh, not again. Okay, wait, it might come back to us. It's coming back to
yeah,
us.
the wind's gonna bring it right back.
it.
Of course.
Colin, gentle.
Four, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I lost it. There it is. There it is. That was very bright. Watch out, Quinn. Coming down. Coming down. Coming down. Oops, safe.
Okay.
Oh, missed it by that much.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Two, one.
Cool, man.
Mickey, you're up.
4, 3, 2,
Nice.
Come on. Oh, there you go.
Perfect.
Nice, tightly rolled shoe.
Yeah, it's good on today.
Yeah. Very nice. All right, pads are open, guys.
Good job.
There we go. You're safe. You're okay. Okay, all right, hold on, guys. Just got another one. I know that. All right, pads are open.
Anyway, you were saying.
You had a payload in there?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The wind, the altitude.
It is. Oh, looks like it's going down good.
You're good. He's coming down.
You see Christopher right there?
Oh. I don't see it in the camera, but I hope I'm getting it.
Is that your rocket, babe?
Yep.
Oh,
no, that last gust.
got it. Oh, no.
Let the wind blow it over.
No, that's going to be up there for a while.
Yep. Well, we got one over here and one over there.
No.
Yeah.
Well, at least I can download the altimeter. You know what the first thought that went through my mind was, who the hell put a building there? Because it was coming down.
Who put a building on a launch pad?
Just took it off sideways, yeah.
Wait.
Over to the, no, Gantham. Right
Ha.
there. Helicopter may be in trouble. Yeah, helicopter's in trouble. Unless it blows back. It's behind the building.
Oh dear.
Behind the building to the left.
Oh, that's just a beautiful. That is so
Colin.
Alright, we got
You have to hold it down for a second.
Boy Scouts or Cub Scouts launching, so
Launch. 5,
sorry ahead of time if I missed the rocket.
2, 1.
Yep. Stay zoomed in.
Good shoot. It's coming down safe.
Come on, let me see. There we are.
Yeah, I fixed the payload or whatever.
Oh, now the wind has stopped. Okay.
I wanted to take it.
Jacob, 3, 2, 1.
I don't even see it.
Straight up. It's really hard to see in the sun.
Up and down. Coming in hot.
Hey. Looks like the sheet's a little. It's not going to open very well. It's going to burn in. But it's slowing down enough.
4, 3, 2, 1.
There you go.
Perfectly straight.
There it is.
Nice. Good launch.
Good launch. Okay, who's next?
Colin?
Yes, you can go
We're
get
going to
it.
get Colin in the air.
Hopefully.
Colin, other Colin, what did you want?
Sky is clear.
Pad is clear. Watching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boom!
Oh no. It's gonna break in the hospital.
Oh, the wind really
That was
kicked up.
going.
It's gonna be on my car.
Is the skylight open?
I think it's gonna clear.
I'm gonna go check. 3, 2, 1. Break!
Good job. Nice. Boom.
Fire in the hole! It's gonna hit a tree!
Maybe not.
Am I lit? No! Oh, that's... please tell me it burned.
You actually have a penalty for this. You're not allowed to launch any more today. You didn't give us a countdown, so that's the penalty. You don't launch for the rest of the day. You can do it again next month when we do this, but you can't launch today.
There are consequences.
That's right, you have to give a countdown.
Watching up head. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's a C.
That's a C.
Oh wow.
Okay, I got to shoot.
That's impressive. Nice
No, let's hope
launch.
Oh, did it go as far?
Come on, don't win, don't win, don't win, don't win.
Oh, the pieces are... It's not gonna
Oh,
land.
that was a really nice launch.
That is.
Very well done.
I predict it's not going to land in that tree.
Girls, make you guys.
2, 1.
Whoa. Here you go. There it is, nice. Take your key out. Make sure your key comes out.
That rocket took a mean right turn.